Hello everyone, New Yorker Rebecca here, and who are you?
David, and she back to business.
And I'm back to business, like he said.
She's making a video, and we're doing a free marker challenge.
That's what we're doing, 3 marker challenge, and we have here our printouts that we're gonna color.
We have Pikachu, Kirby, and Lego Spider-Man.
And do you want to explain them how that works, the marker challenge?
Yeah. So everyone, for you guys. So you're supposed to you're supposed to pick a color, but blindfolded like this. Or if you don't want to pick a free color, you can just do this and keep getting more colors.
So we're gonna be randomly choosing 3 colors.
And guys, you shoot, so you don't need same markers every time.
For each picture, we are gonna choose 3 different colors.
Yes.
And you are gonna vote in the comments and let us know which one is a better picture.
Yeah.
You ready, David?
Yay! Oh!
Okay. I'm gonna shake them.
Oh, don't fair. Why do you have to shake them?
So,
Guys, comment down below who's gonna win. And comment down below is my mom is a good video.
okay, here we go. Are you ready? Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Don't look at it. Don't be a cheater. Okay, you're gonna have 3 or 1? 1.
Oh, blue.
Okay.
You're
2.
kidding me.
And
You're kidding. I got
3.
2. I got 2 blue guys.
Oh, that would be perfect for Spider-Man, but we have Pikachu now. Okay, now it's my turn.
Paper.
No. 1,
No fair.
2,
This is not fair.
3.
You got
Oh my.
the million worst colors ever. I think I probably might win.
Oh well, let's see.
Alright, my mom gonna look, guys. Count down who gonna think gonna win.
Well, let's color, mister.
I'm gonna start with red.
Oh, this is so sad. Pikachu is not yellow.
No, or the cat.
Don't worry about the cap, just pink color. La buscamos ahorita. We're looking for that later.
I'm gonna give
So sad because it's not yellow.
I'm gonna give Pikachu a cool hat. Yeah, I'm gonna make it cute. It's supposed to be a heart. This hat's supposed to be a heart, but it can't really make it a heart. I like my Pikachu hat.
Very nice, mister.
Now I'm gonna go ears. Good job, Ackley. Good job with your drawing. I like yours. I think it's better than mine, Ackley.
Oh, you cannot say that yet. My colors look totally weird. They don't even match to each other.
I know that. You're not supposed to make it mash. Oh! Pikachu! You can name Ackley. You can actually name him if you'd like to. You really like to name your Pikachu?
Yeah, I'm gonna call it Pika Brown.
Pika
Pika
Brown.
Brown.
That's a very funny name, Mama. Pikachu, I like my Pikachu. I like it.
Very nice.
It's awesome. And then
Love it.
okay, next one.
So,
Recycle.
these are our finished Pikachu.
Choose the comment down who win this one.
I call mine Pika Brown. How do you call yours?
Because Spider.
Why?
Because he's supposed to be Spider-Man. Also,
Yeah, he has the colors for Spider-Man.
and also Spider-Man have a hat. So
So
I got the
let's put those 3 out so we don't get them again.
Where should we put these?
Oh, don't worry. Let's put it here.
Oh, next one is.
Which one we're gonna do now?
I'm gonna blindfold me.
Which one you wanna do?
Kirby.
Let's do Kirby.
And the final is Spider-Man. it, guys.
So now it's time. What is the real colors or Kirby for the people who doesn't know them?
Like so, it most kind of like reddish here and pink here, and I think the toes are kind of like reddish.
Okay. So now you know.
I'm gonna shake it for you. You go first, okay?
I will go first. Okay, here we go. No, don't be a cheater, man.
You're pointing the wrong way because I was trying to help you.
Ah, thank you.
Your
okay,
hair.
I have one.
Oh, that.
I have two. And three.
Oh my God! You really got the wrong color. Do not take this from me, okay?
Okay. Well, it's gonna be cute. I like the combo at least. Better combo than the last one. One.
No! I don't want to do that.
Now look at it.
Did I got yellow?
I don't know.
I'm trying to go for yellow.
Two.
No!
Wait. No, you're looking.
Did that count?
Look.
You're
And
kidding.
three.
This is gonna be the worst Kirby ever.
So, oh, look at it. Even kind of look alike. Our colors. Look
Okay,
at.
I'm gonna make Kirby.
So, let's do this.
Go.
David, tell them what you did with yours.
So this is the evil side Kirby, and this is the good side Kirby. Now tell me what you did to yours.
I just put the colors how I want it. And it looked cute because I like the color combo.
I like mine because it's pretty cool, and my mind really need to go fast forward here.
Yeah, that was pretty slow.
Mind ball, YouTube. Oh! Ta! Okay.
So, let's go now to the next picture.
Lego Spider-Man. That's the last one actually.
Lego Spider-Man, put the three colors we just used here.
Wait, what? Oh, you put it there because we're done?
Yeah, we're not gonna repeat the same color.
No!
It's so boring.
That's not fair.
Sorry, man.
Did I need red?
But I keep my red. Look at them, more reds. But you need to sit.
Okay. Take it to
I'm
me.
shaking them. Close your eyes. Look into the back. Look to the other side and give me that hand. So take it.
Did I got blue?
Just take. Oh my gosh! I put your hand in the blue and you didn't take it.
Okay, do it again. Is it here?
I don't know. Just take it. I'm so good to you, man.
Okay, now I need red. Please give me.
I will not choose for you this time.
Is it red?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
But still good colors.
Oh, I think they're kind of good for
Yeah.
summer.
So now it's my
your
turn.
I want to put your hand.
Okay, here we go.
You
I
got
have 1, 2,
I
and 3.
Oh, you got the horrible color.
Oh my gosh, those are terrible.
I got like the best color.
Wow, what I'm gonna do here, David?
I'm sorry already.
Okay, let's do this.
My Spider-Man gonna be big. Right?
It's very nice. Sorry, the recording stopped.
Yes.
Mine is done. David's still working on it. And it's looking pretty nice, David.
Mine better than my mother, you know, guys.
Yes, it is.
I'm sorry we're sorry we stopped, right?
I'm sorry, yeah. It was a too long video and it shut down.
Whoopsies. Up the day is the end and I'm almost done. My Barman fake stick, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm gonna color the underpants.
Very nice. Put it in the cap. Tap, 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 tap.
Do you want to do another one soon?
Yeah, sure. Okay, people, this is what we have. David Spider-Man, Mom Spider-Man.
I wonder who's gonna win.
David Kirby, Mom Kirby.
Spider.
And
David.
Pikachu. Cashew, Pick a Spider, David, and Pick a Brown Mom.
Ha.
So now, guys, please comment below, tell us who won, and
Please me.
if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and maybe we can do another one like this one.
I
So,
hope we can do it without a thumbs up.
yeah, so thumbs up, and we will do another one.
I hope we do it again.
Yeah, so bye. Thank you for
Bye bye.
watching.
Bye.